We are more alike than you think. Lack of fulfillment comes from feeling disconnected from the world around us. When you feel alone and think that no one else has ever gone through what you're going through now, that's the time to step back and ask yourself if that's true. It doesn't matter where you go when you look at people, you'll always find more sameness in the world than differences. Cultural shifts don't matter. It's what's in the heart that counts. The deep emotions, the sadness, joy, despair, and exultation that make up daily life are what unite us as human beings. With this in mind, it's not so hard to connect after all. When you're out there meeting new people, look for these connection points. Find the things uniting you, not the differences holding you apart. Share a smile or laugh over some small thing, and you'll find a friendship blossoming. It's the seed of friendship and where happiness begins.